Hello class 10. Today I am going to start with this new chapter number 6, photosynthesis in your book. Okay, this is a new chapter I am going to start. Okay, now photosynthesis in a way is the most significant life process. It provides food not only to the plant itself but to all animals' life. Okay, and including humans as well as and also the life supporting free oxygen gas in the atmosphere for breathing. A whole series of experiments on photosynthesis are worth performing. Okay, now photosynthesis, as you know, is the most significant life process. Okay, most significant life process. It provides food. ठीक है, क्या क्या प्रोवाइड करती है? फूड not only to the plant but itself but to all animals life, animal life including humans, as well as life supporting free oxygen gas. Okay, photosynthesis is a life process which provides us food and oxygen gas. Now plants, self-fruit producers, occur only in plant. This process photosynthesis occur only in plants. Plants are autotrophs. Autotrophs are able to synthesize own food. That is, by the help of this process, it is called photosynthesis. Plants food producers. Self food producers. Okay, self food producers. All living organisms need food. Animals obtain food from the plant, but plant prepare it for themselves by the process of photosynthesis. कैसे बनाते हैं? By the process of photosynthesis. Okay, by the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Okay, what is photosynthesis? Okay, photosynthesis is an important activity of all green plant. Activity of all green plant. Why green plant? Because it contains the pigment chlorophyll. Okay, it contains the organelle chlorophyll and which contain the pigment chloroplast. क्लोरोप्लास्ट, इट इज ऑर्गेनेल. क्लोरोफिल क्या है? ऑर्गेनेल है. इस ऑर्गेनेल के अंदर ये पिगमेंट है. दिस इज पिगमेंट क्लोरोप्लास्ट, जिसकी वजह से ग्रीन कलर आता है. दिस इज ऑर्गेनेल. ठीक है, सेल ऑर्गेनेल है क्लोरोफिल. And all green plants which are able to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of the pigment chlorophyll and sunlight. सनलाइट, दो चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी है फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए. तो वो ग्रीन प्लांट होना चाहिए, उसमें क्लोरोफिल प्लास्ट पिगमेंट होना चाहिए और सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में ग्लूकोज फॉर्म करते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ CO2 एंड वाटर. ठीक है, CO2 और वाटर को यूज करके क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? ग्लूकोज. ठीक है, ग्लूकोज सिंथेसाइज होता है. Now photosynthesis is the process by which living plant cells containing chlorophyll produce food substance glucose and starch from carbon dioxide and water by using light energy, that is sun energy. Plant releases oxygen as a byproduct during photosynthesis. Now importance of photosynthesis. This chapter is very important for the examination, board examination. 5 marks question will come from this chapter, diagram based or logical based. Now, importance of photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis. Now, food for all. For all, फोटोसिंथेसिस सबके लिए फूड बनाता है, प्लांट के लिए, प्लांट का फूड कौन यूटिलाइज करता है? एनिमल्स. Photosynthesis is ultimately the source of energy and food for all living beings, directly for plant and indirectly for animals. And humans also who eat the plant or plant eating animals. Second, that is oxygen to breathe. Oxygen to breathe. In photosynthesis is the only biological process which releases oxygen in the atmosphere. The oxygen supports all the life on the earth. No living being can remain alive without oxygen. Okay, now this one importance. Now second, chlorophyll, the vital plant pigment. That is chlorophyll. Pigment chlorophyll. And chloroplast is chlorophyll is the green coloring matter found in plants. It contains a microscopic cell organelle called chloroplast. ठीक है, क्लोरोफिल किसके अंदर है? क्लोरोप्लास्ट के अंदर है. सी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस क्लोरोप्लास्ट, डबल मेम्ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, दिस वन इज डबल मेम्ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर. यहाँ पे दिस वन स्टैक, join together. Okay, and this is stoma. Stoma and stroma में difference है. Stoma is a guard cell spore in stomata, that is stoma, and this is stroma. This is stroma, liquid filled in this chloroplast, that is stroma, ground fluid. It is called ground fluid. Ground fluid. Okay, and this one grana, and this one is fret. Fret, interconnecting bars. Interconnecting bars, also called frets. Now this one grana, pile of thylakoid. ठीक है, this is pile of thylakoid is called granum. Okay, and flattened sac, this sac only, this flattened sac is called thylakoid. It's thylakoids. This is the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is the organelle and chlorophyll is the pigment. Okay. Now chlorophyll absorbs light at both ends of the visible spectrum, blue and red light, and reflect away the green light. That is why chlorophyll appears green. The absorbed blue and red light are the most effective for the photosynthesis. आता है क्वेश्चन कि कौन सी लाइट एब्जॉर्ब करता है दिस पिगमेंट क्लोरोफिल. दिस इज क्लोरोप्लास्ट, इसके अंदर पिगमेंट है दैट इज क्लोरोफिल, एंड ब्लू एंड रेड लाइट एब्जॉर्ब करता है द इन स्पेक्ट्रम में से, लाइट स्पेक्ट्रम में से. दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द एंड मोस्ट इफेक्टिव फॉर द फोटोसिंथेसिस. ओके, नॉट ग्रीन. क्यों? क्योंकि chlorophyll appears green. The absorbed blue and red lights are the most effective for the photosynthesis. Okay, now there are 9 types of chlorophyll. 2 out of these, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, are the most important types of chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Okay, now are the best known and most abundant. Chlorophyll is highly sensitive to light, so too much light may destroy it. However, the formation of the chlorophyll itself depends upon the exposure to the plant to light. The grass growing in the shade under the stone turns yellowish. Why? Okay, the grass growing under the shade और अंडर द स्टोन इज येलोइश. येलोइश क्यों जाती है वो घास जो शेड के नीचे रहती है? ग्रास येलोइश. व्हाई? गिव अ रीजन. ड्यू टू द डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द ओल्डर वन इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ द लाइट. ओके, ड्यू टू द नॉन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द न्यू क्लोरोफिल. ठीक है, नया क्लोरोफिल बनता नहीं और जो ओल्ड वन होता है उसका डिसइंटीग्रेशन होता है. That's why the grass under the stone and under the shade is turns yellow. Why? Due to the non-formation of the new chlorophyll and due to the disintegration of the older one in the absence of the light. Now, as chloroplasts are minute oval bodies bounded by a double membrane and flattened sac, as you know, thylakoid arranged in a pile. That pile is called the grana, lying in a colorless ground substance, that is called stroma. Okay, and the pigment chlorophyll is contained in the wall of thylakoid. Where is chlorophyll present? Chlorophyll present in the wall of thylakoid. In the wall of thylakoid. Okay, it is highly complex substance composed of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and magnesium. Chloroplasts are mainly contained in the mesophyll cell. Chloroplast कहाँ होते हैं? Chloroplast in the mesophyll cell. In the mesophyll cells. Okay, chlorophyll in the wall of the thylakoid and chloroplast in the mesophyll cells located between the upper epidermis and the lower epidermis. Okay, of leaves. These are also found in the guard cell of stomata and in the outer layer of the young stem, green stem. Okay.